Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here, gonna do a bots break. This is a 2012, 2013 pass and present from Panini. There's 20 packs, 6 cards per pack, and we're looking for 4 autographs. Alright, so wish me luck. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alright. If you want to see the stated odds, there they are. Let me see if I can focus it. So just put pause and take a look. All right, so 20 packs plus a Kobe bonus pack. Take these out. 4 autographs we're looking for. All right. Let's start with the Kobe pack. It's very thin. Then we get an autograph or a number card. Got All-Star Kobe, 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 and Kobe. So no autographs there. All right, first pack. It looks like it's base, and then we got a shatter card of Kevin Durant. So pretty cool. There's the back to that. Rookie of Isaiah Thomas, Rise and Shine, Alonzo G, Ricky Rubio base. So we get an elite rookie autograph. All right, base, and we got headbands of Rasheed Wallace. So it's got a little feel to it there. Here's the back to that. And then rookie Jeff Taylor, Rise and Shine, Josh Smith, and base Michael Cooper. Kareem base, Larry Johnson base. I wonder if these are the short print versions. Looks a little bit different. And then rookie of Lance Thomas, Rise and Shine, Brandon Knight, and Paul George base. All right, we got base. Oh, this is pretty cool. 3 NBA championships. Joe Dumars die cut. It also has a little texture here, kind of like the headband. Joe Dumars, Hall of Famer. Michael Kidd Gilchrist, rookie, Rise and Shine of James Harden, and base. We got base. Oh, we got another of these shatter ones, but this is a little bit different. It's like a silver foil Brandon base or Bass shatter. It's pretty cool. A little bit different than the black one. And then we got a Kendall Marshall rookie, and Kevin Durant Rise and Shine, and Vince Carter base. Alright, we got Larry Bird base, Bloody Divac base. Oh, we got this nice, kind of like a shoe feel to it, or threads, like a shoe thread. And this is a rookie, Anthony Davis. So it's a rookie of Anthony Davis. Pretty cool. Nice hit. Awesome. Rookie of Iman Shumpert, and Rise and Shine of Kmart, and Vernon Maxwell base. Alright, we got base, and then we got our first autograph. Hal Greer. Pretty cool. We got an old schooler. Awesome. Philadelphia. I like how it says just as Phila. Awesome. It's a sticker autograph. Hal Greer. Pretty cool. Nice card. Nice hit. Rookie of Jordan Hamilton. Rise and Shine of George Hill. And then base of Penny Hardaway. So we're still looking for 3 more autos. Jeremy Lin base, Tony Parker base. We got another threads of Jared Dudley, Jarrett Sullinger rookie, and Mo Williams, Rise and Shine, with Richmond base. Alright, base. We got another Threads, Monty Ellis. Pretty cool. I like these cards. Make sure it's focus. And Nikola Vucevic, rookie, Rise and Shine of Serge Ibaka, and base. Right, base. Stephen Curry, base. Rookie of Tyler Honeycutt, Rise and Shine Tony Parker, and base. So no insert on that one. Mo Williams, base. Steven Jackson, and then another Threads of OJ Mayo. Pretty cool. Kenneth Faried, rookie, Rise and Shine of Iman Shumpert, and base. Whoa! Let me get these cards. Alright, base. And then we got a really nice Damian Lillard. And this is a rookie card. His rookie year. It's pretty cool. I wonder if this is the reigning threes. I'm not sure what insert this is. But pretty cool. Pretty cool insert there. Rookie Tobias Harris, Rise and Shine of Harrison Barnes, and base card of Rajon Rondo. Alright, so looking for 3 more autographs. Base. Got a die cut of Chris Bosh with a nice little feel to it. Pretty cool. Perry Jones rookie, and then base and base. That was Rue Holiday, Rise and Shine. Alright, base. We got Andre Iguodala, Threads, Royce White, rookie, Kobe Bryant, Rise and Shine, and base. Alright, base. Got our second auto. Elusive autos, Pat Lieber, Denver Nuggets, another old schooler. Marcus Morris, rookie, Rise and Shine of Nick Young, and base. So that's 2 autographs, 2 old timers. Hopefully we'll get a nice rookie card and maybe a present player. Base. We got another Shatter card, Vince Carter, pretty cool. Quincy AC and Kenneth Faried. Alright, we got 4 packs and I'm still looking for 2 autograph cards. Derrick Rose, base, another Threads, James Harden Threads, pretty cool. Tyler Zeller, rookie. Maurice Stoudemire, Rise and Shine. Alright, base. We got a redemption. Fab Melo redemption. Fab Melo. So we did get a rookie. And Brandon Knight and Rise and Shine of Zach Randolph. 2 more packs. Still looking for 1 more autograph. Carmelo Anthony, base, Threads. Anderson Varejao, not Threads, headbands. Daron Lamb, Rise and Shine of Chandler Parsons. Last pack. So hopefully it's we didn't get shorted, hopefully, and hopefully there's an autograph in here. Base, James Harden insert, and let's see, looks like we didn't get no autographs, so we only got 3 autographs. Got Fat Lieber, Hal Greer, and then the redemption of Fab Melo. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.